There are several parts on the 6.2 and 6.5 diesel mechanical injection, DB2 injection, that nowadays seem to be made of unobtainium. The fast idle solenoid is one of those parts. They're hard to get. They're hard to find. You can find them for sale. They're several $100s. It's a little bitty solenoid. So I was actually looking. I just I'll look for things, eBay, wherever, and if someone had a cruise control cable bracket for sale on eBay, I bought it. It came with the fast idle solenoid. Yes, it's missing the little rubber cover that goes on here, but I thought, okay, this is a confusing part to some people, and I thought I'd do a thing about it. All right, that is this plunger. See how that moves? When it pushes down, it holds the throttle open just a little bit, about 7 to 8% throttle, and you can adjust it. You can turn it to make it go in more. That gives you your fast idle on cold starts. Now, if you pull the sun visor down on any of the 6.2 trucks, I don't know about the 6.5s. I think they're the same way. It tells you starting instructions. It says turn on the key, push the throttle halfway, and let go. That is to turn this on. I have my 12 volt, well, 0 to 30 volt power supply hooked up. I'm going to turn it on. I got it set to 12 because I don't want to burn this thing up. You saw how I was moving this earlier. It won't move. This is throttle all the way closed. This thing is sitting back. I'm going to turn it on. It's still sitting back. You let go of it, it pops forward. You see that? If I don't have my finger on it, turn it on, boom, it pops forward. If I have any pressure, use my pinky finger. I'm barely touching it. It doesn't move. You push the throttle halfway, or just you need to go 10% throttle, pop, it's on and it's locked until it turns off. I've done a video about testing the sensor that goes in the passenger side head near the firewall, bottom under the injector, that turns the power on and off for this. This is where the green wire goes. Well, one of the green wires. The other green wire goes to the cold idle advance solenoid inside the injection pump, but I've done a video about that too. Anyway, this is how that works. When it's like this, the throttle shut, you get in the truck, turn the key on. If you don't push the pedal down, this stays like this. You just touch the pedal, pop, there it goes. And it's stuck until in theory, the temperature in the coolant gets to 94 degrees Fahrenheit, and it turns off, and you got regular idle again, okay? So that's how it works. That's the instructions for using it. Just give a look. You don't got to go all the way down the floor. Just do a little bit and let go, and it'll start. Okay, I'm going to hook the wires. Now, let's see if I can get this so you can see it. We got to focus on this. Right there. The base of the blade is a little itty bitty thin wire. You see how this housing moves real easy? Yeah. I've had a couple where that wire going down into the coil. So all it is a big coil of wire here. It's a solenoid. It's just a bunch of little bitty strands of wire in a coil that turn off, it magnetize and shoot this thing out. I've had that wire break on several, and I have soldered it in place. Just very, very gently with a soldering iron and a little bit of solder, get it back together. If one of these is not working, pull the rubber cover off and look at it. If you can see that wire being loose somewhere, try to figure out a way to fix it. Okay? That will save you a lot of money. I've never uncrimped it and pulled it apart. I guess you could. But I've had 2 broken on me because that little wire right here was broken. I could see it, and I just give a little bit of solder, a little bit of heat, and make it go back together again. And then I didn't touch it. Put it back on, very carefully plugged it back in, and it worked ever since. Okay? So real quick, fast idle solenoid, you have to give it won't push itself down with any resistance. You just give the pedal a little bit and pop, it goes and it stays. This is very nice. You don't know you need this until you don't have it. Okay? So 6265 fast idle solenoid.